29.91 inches and falling. At Norman. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Hitchcock, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Additional storms have developed near Kingfisher and Omega. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, O'Keene, Hitchcock, Loyal, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
I got very lucky with this one because if I wasn't in my room just putting my drink on the table, then I would have missed this entire alert.